Hello, good evening. This is Teacher Saeed and welcome to our class ASUP2 Course B, and we are now in Unit 7, Lesson 2, which is long AY, A. AY together, A. Are you ready? Yes, I hope so. So let's begin first, but let's count. 20, 20, 16, 16. 18, 18, 19, 19, 17, 17. Now, let's read AY together, A, A, the A, day. AY together, A, 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 say. AY together, A, 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 J. AY together, A, A, bay. AY together, A, A, pay. AY together, A, A, hey. AY together, A, A, may. AY together, A, lay. AY together, A, A, tray. AY together, A, play. AY together, A, spray. AY together, A, clay. CL, clay. AY together, A, CR, AY, on. Crayon, crayon. Let's review. Crayon, AY together, A, crayon. Clay, spray, play, tray, lay, may, hey, pay, bay, J, say, day. Okay, so let's read some words. Day, say, J, bay, pay, hey, may, lay, tray, spray, clay, crayon. Reading. I pay for a day at the bay. I pay for a day at the bay. My birthday is in May. My birthday is in May. Speaking. What's this? This is a bay. What's this? This is a bay. What's this? This is a hay. What's this? This is a hay. What's this? This is a tray. What's this? This is a tray. What's this? This is a crayon. This is a crayon. What's this? This is a crayon. What's this? This is a clay. What's this? This is a clay. I can say my name. It is hot day. I pay the man on the bus. I can see a wave in the bay. So that's all for today. Goodbye and see you again. See you.